My name's Lauren Holmes. I'm doing an MA in Literary Studies and I'm from Birmingham. The lecturers are really great here and they just really inspired me to want to study more, and I really love Romanticism and I know that this is a good place to study. There were 2 modules about the 18th century and Romanticism which I wanted to do alongside my dissertation. You don't just read the texts anymore, you read around the texts and you get to discuss it more with people, you discuss with lecturers instead of just being taught by them. When we first came, we had a big meeting with drinks and food, and everyone who was doing a postgraduate degree in the English department got to meet up and just talk. Postgraduates, at least who are doing the MA in Literary Studies, there's just a few of us, so we get really close and we always help each other out. We all swapped phone numbers straight away. You get a lot of support. You do get a personal tutor and a dissertation tutor. You can go and talk to them whenever you want, but any of the lecturers really, I think you can just go up. Even if you don't make an appointment, if you just knock on the door and if they're free then they'll talk to you. They promote the research seminars and things like that, so you can go there and then again you meet people and you just get to discuss and you find people who like what you like. The library signs up to all of the internet resources, all of the online journals, and there's some really good places where you can look at first editions of books where you wouldn't otherwise be able to have a look at them, and you can actually see the handwriting of the authors, which is great. The National Library is invaluable. You go there and you can get any book you need. When I knew that I wanted to do a master's, I started to live more frugally. So I had a bit put aside, but my parents really helped me out with that. They decided that it was worth it, and that because I wanted to do it and it proved that I was going to be hardworking and put myself to the test really, then they were willing to do that for me. Whilst I was here originally, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I discovered through working with the societies that I would love to work for a charity. I know when you're doing a master's degree that people will see that and they will know that you've raised your own money and you're willing to put the hours in because they know that it is quite tough. So I think it's good for just getting jobs generally. The town's a really great place to live. I love living here, so I wanted to stay here for an extra year. It's nice and relaxed when you need it to be, but it's not boring. You can always go out and find something to do. I think it's definitely worth it. You start to enjoy the subject so much more. You think you enjoy a subject and then you go deeper and you realise how much there is to learn. It's so different from the undergraduate degree, so when you get a job you will really know how to apply the skills that